Hey, my daughter.
Sorry, sweetheart. I don't think you dialed the right number.
I did. I am your dad.
You expect me to believe that?
I'm telling you the truth. Even my voice matches yours a little.
If you really are my father, then name my favorite food.
I said I am your father, not your chef. How am I supposed to know that?
You said you were my father, yet you do not know about my favorite food. That does not sound very fatherly to me, now does it?
Okay, so do you know my favorite food?
No, I don't. But I wouldn't go around saying I am your mother if I don't even know something as basic as your favorite food.
Come on, you have to believe me. I am your father.
Prove it then. How can you be my father if you can't even name my favorite food?
You need proof? Fine then. Explain me how am I able to call you on your personal phone number if I am not your dad?
Wait a minute. I actually never thought about it. How did you even got my number?
It's simple. Because you're my daughter.
You really are? My father?
Yes, my girl.
I can't believe this.
Now apologize to me for being rude.
Fine. I am sorry for being rude. Father.
Good. At least you have some brain left. Now tell me your address. I want to come there.
My address? Why do you want to know my address? And besides that, you are my father. You should know the address too. And if you don't know that, then it means you are actually not my father. Don't tell me that you are a demon in disguise!
That's definitely not the case. It's only that I want to meet you and spend some time together. And I forgot the address.
I am not going to believe that. Spend some time together? What are you, a pervert demon? You probably got my phone number from a blood demon art or something. Go to hell, you demon! I am hanging up.
Oh my god, that's definitely not the case. Please don't hang up.
I hang up the call. Oh my god, what a weird demon he was. I think he has some daughter issues or something.